Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, struggling to keep your business finances afloat? You're not alone. So many small business owners find accounting a real headache. And that's where accounting software comes in. It's supposed to be the life raft, right? But then you're faced with another dilemma. Xero or QuickBooks? Which one is the right life raft for your business? That's the million-dollar question we're tackling today. We're going to dive deep into the world of Xero and QuickBooks, comparing their features, pricing, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. Because let's face it, choosing the wrong accounting software can be a costly mistake, not just in terms of money, but also in time and stress. Before we jump into the specifics, let's clarify something. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The better software depends entirely on your specific business needs. A freelancer with simple invoicing requirements will have different needs than a growing e-commerce business with complex inventory management. So, as we go through the comparison, keep your own business in mind. What are your biggest accounting pain points? What features are non-negotiable? Let's start with a quick overview of each platform. QuickBooks, particularly QuickBooks Online, is a giant in the accounting software world. It's been around for a while and boasts a massive user base. It's known for its comprehensive features and scalability, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Xero, on the other hand, is a relative newcomer, but it's quickly gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and cloud-based accessibility. It's often praised for its simplicity and modern design. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, starting with features. Both Xero and QuickBooks offer core accounting functionalities like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. These are the essentials, the bread and butter of any accounting software. You can create and send professional invoices, track your expenses, reconcile your bank accounts, and generate reports like profit and loss statements and balance sheets. But where they differ is in the details. QuickBooks generally offers more advanced features, especially in its higher-tier plans. Think things like inventory management, project profitability tracking, and more robust reporting. If you're a business with complex needs, like managing a large inventory or tracking project costs, QuickBooks might be the better fit. Xero, while not as feature-rich as QuickBooks in some areas, excels in its simplicity and ease of use. Its interface is often described as more intuitive, making it easier for non-accountants to navigate. It also integrates well with a wide range of other business apps, which can be a huge plus if you rely on other software for things like CRM or e-commerce. Another crucial aspect is pricing. Both platforms offer different pricing tiers, typically based on the number of users and the features included. QuickBooks has a wider range of plans, catering to businesses of different sizes and budgets. Xero's pricing structure is generally simpler, but it might not be as flexible for businesses with very specific needs. It's essential to compare the pricing plans carefully and see which one offers the best value for your money. Don't just look at the headline price. Consider the features you're getting for that price. One area where Xero often shines is its bank reconciliation. Many users find Xero's bank feeds and reconciliation process smoother and more automated than QuickBooks. This can save you a significant amount of time and effort, especially if you have a high volume of transactions. On the other hand, QuickBooks often has the edge when it comes to reporting. Its reporting features are generally more comprehensive, allowing you to generate a wider variety of reports and customize them to your specific needs. If you rely heavily on detailed financial reporting for business analysis, QuickBooks might be the better choice. Another factor to consider is customer support. Both Xero and QuickBooks offer customer support, but the quality and availability can vary. It's worth reading reviews and comparing experiences to see which platform offers better support in your region. So, we've talked about features, pricing, and support. But what about the overall user experience? This is where personal preference comes into play. Some people find Xero's interface more intuitive and easier to navigate, while others prefer the familiarity of QuickBooks. The best way to find out which platform you prefer is to try them both. Most accounting software providers offer free trials, so take advantage of this opportunity to test drive both Xero and QuickBooks and see which one feels more comfortable and natural to you. Remember, the goal is to find the accounting software that makes your life easier, not harder. It should be a tool that helps you manage your finances efficiently and effectively, not a source of frustration. Now, let's recap the key takeaways. QuickBooks is generally more feature-rich, especially for businesses with complex needs, like inventory management and project tracking. It offers a wider range of plans and has a strong reputation for reporting capabilities. Xero, on the other hand, excels in its simplicity and ease of use. Its intuitive interface and smooth bank reconciliation make it a popular choice for small businesses and freelancers. Ultimately, the best way to decide between Xero and QuickBooks is to consider your specific business needs and try both platforms for yourself. Take advantage of the free trials, explore the features, and see which one feels like the right fit for your business. Don't be afraid to ask for help from accountants or other business owners who have experience with these platforms. Choosing the right accounting software is a crucial decision for any business. It's an investment in your financial health and can significantly impact your efficiency and productivity. So, take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.